For f of x equal to cos x minus x plus 1 where x belongs to real, which statement is true? First statement is f of x equal to 0 for only one value in 0 to pi. Second statement is f of x is decreasing in 0 to pi by 2 and increasing in pi by 2 to pi. Okay, so let's find out. First thing is you need to know whether this is a increasing function or decreasing function, right? And then based on that we can decide whether f of x can be 0 or not. Okay, otherwise if you equate it to 0, you try to find out f of x equal to 0 and try to find the solution, it is very difficult to find. Cos x equal to x minus 1, very difficult to find solution. So f dash x equal to minus sin x minus 1. Okay, and whether it is less than 0 or greater than 0, sin x is always a positive in 0 to pi. Okay, the domain is 0 to pi, correct, which is given here. So in 0 to pi sin x is always positive, so this expression is always negative, correct. This expression is always negative. So in the range f dash x is always less than 0, which means it is strictly decreasing. F of x is strictly decreasing function, which means you take two limits, basically two endpoints, find out the values, it is moving from lowest to highest, that's it, correct. So f of 0 is nothing but 2, f of pi is nothing but 0 to pi, right, ranges. So f of pi is nothing but minus pi. So minus pi is less than 2, so it is moving from minus pi to 2, okay, continuously. That means it will have one crossover at 0, correct. At least one f of x equal to 0, at least one place you will, not at least, only one place you will get, correct. So that means my statement 1 is true, correct. My statement 1 is true. Now statement 2, because statement 1, if you see, this is a strictly decreasing function, okay, so it will only decrease. So it cannot be like decreasing from 0 to pi by 2 and then increasing from pi by 2 to pi. That is not possible, correct, because we already proved that this is strictly decreasing, which means s2 is false. Okay, so statement 2 is false. So only statement which is true is s1. Only s1 is true. That's the answer. Thank you.
Please like and subscribe to our channel.